Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you the app I vibe coded for 531 progression. It helps you run your 531 program by providing everything for you so that you don't have to calculate because that's annoying. So let me quickly show you the UI. Basically it has three elements. The first elements show your training maxes. The second element has a lift input box and the week input box, and based on the training maxes and the lift and the week, it shows you the three weights you need to do for your 531 sets. And then lastly, the third element is the well, it is based on the formula that Jim Wendler provides in his first book, where based on your previous reps and previous weight, so reps you did the previous week for the PR, it tells you how many reps you need to hit on the today's weight to defeat your personal record. So let me show you an example. If we did, for example, here we are in squat week 2, and our third set is 125 kilograms. And so let's say that on our first week we did 120 kilograms, 10 reps. We will here input 120 kilograms on 10 reps, and then the calculator will tell us that the previous estimated 1 rep max was 160 kg, and to beat this 1 rep max on 125 kilograms we need to do at least 9 reps. Okay, and then some additional statistics down below. Now let's see another example. Let's say that we are doing week 3 on the bench, or let's say deadlift. So week 3 deadlift I'm doing 172 kilograms, but let's say that the previous week I did 6 reps on 160 kilograms, for example, and this just tells me that I need to do 4 reps today to beat my previous 1 rep max based on Jim Wendler's formula. The formula is, by the way, reps times weight times 0.0333 plus weight, and then I just used the mathematics to derive this formula here. So this is how you use it. So basically you copy this HTML file to your phone or computer, you just open it, and then you have everything. So let's say we are on the squat week 3 day, and then we know the 3 weights we need to do, and based on the previous reps and weight which we input here, it tells us how many reps we need to do on the AMRAP set to beat the previous record. So this is, instead of using sheets or instead of calculating everything manually, you can use this. So this is the user interface. And now how to actually change your training maxes? Well, it's stupidly simple. In the HTML itself, here at the top we have these 4 hidden inputs which contain our numbers, and every 3 weeks or every 6 weeks, depending on how you run your 531, you have to increase your training maxes. When you do, you simply change the number here, save it, and it will update on the UI. How this works now, technical details. Well, everything is a stupidly simple HTML file. Here it is on the left. It is 100% vibe coded by ChatGPT, but I assure you it is also safe because it works offline. It does not steal your passwords. It does not connect to the internet. It does not search your file system, it does basically nothing except simply calculating things based on the formula and based on the maxes. So let's just increase this to 200, save, refresh. Now we have 200 deadlift. And again, let's see, for example, if you go deadlift on week 1, it tells us the weights we must use. And if you want to, for example, defeat our previous record, in which we did, for example, let's say we did 8 reps and we did them on 150. Well, you see, we only need to do 4 reps to defeat this, based on the formula. Okay, so this HTML file is in the description. You can use it, as I said, on the computer or on the mobile phone. If you use it on your mobile phone, make sure that you open it with the browser and not with some local file viewer or HTML viewer. For example, I did this mistake on my Android and I opened it with my file viewer, and then it didn't work because the file viewer does not run JavaScript, and so these current maxes weren't working because as you can see here on the left, we have script section to actually do the dynamical stuff. So you need to open it in the browser. If you have any problems with it, let me know in the comments. I will try to help you out, but other than that, it's pretty simple. I thought it was cute and I liked it, so I wanted to share it. I know that many are running 531, and if you are tired of calculating everything manually or using spreadsheet, maybe try this out. Let me know what you think, and that is all. See you next time. Goodbye.